Hey there, so in this video I want to show you how you can install WordPress on the servers of Hostinger and how to set up your WordPress site. Before we start, really important, you will find the link to Hostinger down in the description. This will give you the best deal, and I will also show you how you can use my coupon code to get an extra 10%. So first let's start and click on the link down in the description. Once you've clicked on the link, you will land here on my partner site, and we want to click on WordPress and then on Managed WordPress. And this will bring you to this page. And now we can choose from the pricing plans here, which one we want to take to set up our WordPress site. Hostinger has very competitive pricing. It starts at $3 a month or $4 a month, and having different features available for you. So you can go through, but I'm always a fan starting with the lowest tier and then upgrading later if you need more features, because here you already have quite something. You can build up to 100 websites, you have 100 GB SSD storage, and you get a free domain. This is basically the same as in the $4 package. Here you just have 100 GB more storage, but let's first use our first 100 GB and see if we need more. So I would recommend using this plan. And now we see we only get $3 if we take a 4-year plan on Hostinger. So we book a server for 4 years. I think that's quite a commitment. So I would take 24 months. And down here, you can set it up. You can log in with Google or your email address and password. And one last thing, which is really important, you can here on the field have a coupon code. You can type in my name, Julian Weber. And when you redeem the coupon, it will give you an extra 10%. So as you see now, it's only $64 for the first 2 years. Now you can put in your credit card or pay with PayPal or even Google Pay, Alipay, or even with Bitcoin. So make sure you click first on the link down in the description of the video and then type in Julian Weber. And this gives you the best pricing for the hosting your web servers for WordPress. So once you've signed up, it will ask you, do you want to create a website or do you want to migrate a website? So for most of you watching, I think it will be create a website. Then I click next. And now here it's really important that we choose WordPress. I will show you in a later tutorial how to use the hosting a website builder. But for now, we want to use the content management system of WordPress and not their own website builder. So then you can click next. And then in the next step, you can create login credentials for your WordPress account. This is not the credentials you use to log into Hostinger. This will be the credentials for your WordPress site. That's something different because I will show you later how you can just log into your WordPress without using Hostinger. And now Hostinger is asking you what type of website do you want to build? Do you want an online store, a blog, a portfolio, a business or service? And I'm good with a business or service website, so I choose this one and click next. And now it already gives you some pre-built templates for your website. And we don't really want to use these because there are better ones out there, which I can show you later. For now, let's go to themes and see what themes they offer. And here they do quite a good job because Astra, Generated Press, Ocean VP, and Cadence, that are quite common WordPress themes. Please go ahead and watch a full tutorial about WordPress themes because there are a lot of out there. And it's quite the task to choose the right one. I'm usually going with Astra or Cadence because these are the ones I'm most familiar with. So I will choose Astra. Don't worry, you can change that later. So for now, you can either choose one of these or you can create a blank site. Then I click next, and now it will recommend me some plugins, which I don't really recommend you doing that because these are not the best plugins. For example, for SEO, the best plugin is Yoast SEO and not all-in-one SEO. So I would just deselect all of those. I will show you later where you can install the plugins on your site. Yeah, I can just skip this step. And now, do you want to generate a business and service content with AI? So I could type in my brand name and a description of the service, and the AI of Hostinger will already generate some content around that. So feel free to test this out. I think it's a cool feature. For now, I will skip it. And of course, every website needs a domain. Here you can just type in your domain name, which you want to have. If you're not sure yet, I can recommend using ChatGPT. Just go ahead and type in whatever business or website idea you have and say where you're based, and it will give you some domain recommendations. Yeah, I will just go ahead with Julian's website -test.com just for the purpose of this video. And I can just put it in the cart and click next. And now you can choose if you're a person or a company and where you're based. As said, I'm in Germany, so click next. And now you will have to type in your contact information and then finish the registration of your domain. In the next step, it will ask you where your target audience is based, because Hostinger has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different server locations, and you want to choose the server location which is closest to your target audience. For example, if you're in the United States, you can either choose the East Coast or the West Coast. But for me, if I would be in Europe, I would choose one of these 3 servers because it's better for me, because the distance from your server to your customer or visitor of your page is the smallest. Yeah, whatever suits you here, just select this and click next. And now it will take some time to install WordPress on your Hostinger web server. So after a minute, Hostinger has successfully installed WordPress on your server. And now you will see your domain here. I choose an example domain, but if you purchased one, then you will have your custom domain here. Be aware, it can take a little while until the domain is live, usually like up to 24 hours. Here in the test domain, this is probably live already. So yeah, because I choose the test domain, it's already live here. And this would be now the site with some dummy content. And now we can log into our admin panel of WordPress. And now we are in the admin panel of WordPress. This is your dashboard of WordPress. Here, for example, you have your post. When you post a blog post, your pages for your website. And here under appearance, you have your themes. So we choose this theme, but you can also add new themes here. For example, Hello Elementor, Astra, these are quite common themes. And really important are the plugins. Here you can also add new plugins. For example, a very common plugin is the page builder Elementor. This has over 10 million active installations. So over 10 million websites use Elementor. And this is a page builder which allows you to create more beautiful websites. Usually a good website has somewhere between 5 or 10 different plugins for different functionalities. For example, SEO or page building or forms. There are like a lot of different plugins on the WordPress ecosystem. So as said, watch a full tutorial on WordPress. This is just the setup tutorial, how to set up WordPress on Hostinger. This is successfully done now. You have your Hostinger dashboard, you have your admin panel of WordPress. And if you want to start now, as said, feel free to click on the link down in the description. Use the coupon code JulianWeber and it will give you an extra 10%. And then you will have your WordPress site set up in under 10 minutes. Thank you for listening. Give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Goodbye.